Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. Today, coming with you again, another video featuring a classic line of products I'm so excited to have here at Razor Emporium. Tabac. Tabac? It's up to you to decide. No, just kidding. It's Tabac. Trust me, I'm German. No, but really. It is made in Germany, and it's a classic line of products. It's been out since 1959. I believe it's pronounced Tabac. Actually, if you know the real answer, let me know in the comments below. I've always called it Tabac. I'm picturing a German saying it, and that's what I would hear. Tabac, Tabac. Not Tabac, Tabac. Yeah. So, this line of products, I think I first saw it in people's Shave of the Day, videos and pictures and all that kind of stuff when I was a newbie wet shaver back 15 years ago now. And a good friend of mine was so kind enough to actually bring back this product. It was the Aftershave Lotion from Germany, and he brought it to me as a gift, and I was so excited to get it because not only does the packaging just exude old school cool with this milk white glass, kind of look to it, the font, it's really kind of well, I would say maybe mid-century or even kind of maybe earlier, kind of Art Deco kind of font here. But the most exciting thing about it is when you open the cap and you smell it. And instantly, you smell all these notes. You smell the bergamot, you smell the neroli, you smell this peppery floral kind of fragrance, wood moss. It's a very, very unique smell. It's very clean, masculine, classic, and I'm gonna say it. Get ready. It's grandpa. It really is. It's that peppery kind of smell. It is in the same vein as Old Spice. I'd say that, but to me, it's darker, and if that's really a descriptive word for a scent, and it's also a lot more deep and sophisticated. I think Old Spice, to me, is a very surface level smell, and it's nice, but this one, if you keep on smelling it, there's so much depth to it. I love it. So that's the first product I picked up was the Aftershave Lotion here. But they have a whole line of products. They have a shaving cream. So if you are someone who likes to have soft cream to use, this is a great product, again, with that classic scent, classic smell. Awesome. They also have an Eau de Cologne. That is French for cologne. And funny enough, Cologne is a German city, so think about that one for a second. But this is obviously a more intense version of the Aftershave Lotion. So if you really want to wear it, in your hot spots, side of your neck or your forearms, or a little bit maybe on your chest or neck, for your significant other, your special someone, that would be the product to use. They also have these shave sticks over here. This is the actual push-up variety, so you can push it up like a Polar Pop, and you have a refill for it, or if you just want to use this by itself and not do the push-up thing, that is what is underneath this golden ticket of a packaging over here. And yes, I'm channeling Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, which, by the way, was shot in Germany, so I'm just tying it all together. But we will have to do another video actually using the shave stick. I did a video years and years ago showing how a shave stick performs and how it works, but I think it's time we do another one because there's so much misconception about how shave sticks work. To me, they're the ultimate travel tool. They're also just really small and convenient, and they don't always, take up so much space. They don't get all, wet and moldy because you're putting this on your skin. You're not having to use a brush with this. On top of the product. You use a brush afterwards. So very cool product, very efficient, very German. And last but not least, we have the shave soap that's in a little milk glass bowl. And last but not least, the whole reason I have the beard, and the whole reason we're going to shoot this to begin with was the beard oil itself. Now this has all the natural oils, ingredients for your skin, castor oil, vitamin A. It's a great product. And it has that same classic scent. That is the beard oil. Again, to apply that, just put a little bit on the tips of your fingers and really work it through your beard. And if you have a brush preferred, you can really use a brush to distribute the product, exfoliate your hair, and really make it glisten and shine. But don't overdo it with beard oil. as I said in the other video, don't be the guy who looks like you had some maple syrup pancakes and you got that glistening beard. I remember the first time, and I will not say his name, a friend of mine who may be watching came into the Razor Emporium shop years ago, and he had just got the beard going, and he said, "Hey, what do you guys think?" And it was just like, you had to use a reflector. It was so shiny, and it was just like, wow, man, IHOP must be serving up some pancakes today. It was horrible. Don't be that guy. A little bit goes a long way. And remember, you're really doing the most amount of work on the skin underneath, so you don't get that itchy, dry feeling and that, you know, snowstorm of flakes coming down. So always use a beard oil if you're growing out facial fur. That is all I got on Tabac, a classic line of German-made products since 1959. To me, I would call them the Parasso of Germany. They're so iconic, and I see them all the time in Shave of the Day pictures. And right now with Razor Emporium, I'm kind of expanding a lot of our retail offerings, and I just said we have to carry this. This is just a staple of the wet shaving world. If you haven't tried it, get it. If you only have to pick one, get either the soap or one of the lotions or cologne, because this fragrance is just so to die for. I love it. Can't say enough good things about it. If you've used Tabac, or if you know how it's pronounced, let me know in the comments below. I want to hear all about your experience with Tabac. Does it also remind you of Grandpa? Maybe your grandpa was German, so it just figures. And if you do leave a comment, you're entered in to win this, the official black and blue Razor Emporium t-shirt. We are excited that you are here with our channel today. Share this video out to all of your friends. Maybe your significant other needs to hear about this line of products. They can get you a gift for the upcoming holidays. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.